How to upload a full video on WhatsApp status without trimming. To get started, first of all, get Video Splitter app on your phone and open it. In this app, you can edit and split videos. Over here, tap to add a video for splitting from your camera roll. Select the video you want and tap on Choose at the bottom right corner. Wait for the video to compress. Here, you can choose the time length of the video. Choose according to your preference and then tap on Split Video. Wait for the video to split. And as you can see, it's done. Now, tap on Open Photos below it. You can now view your edited videos right here. After that, go back to your main menu and open up the WhatsApp application. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Updates. Here, you can add a status on WhatsApp. You can also view your friends' statuses. You can explore the different channels on WhatsApp and their messages. Now, tap on Add Status. Here, you can select photos and videos from your camera roll to add to your status. Now, select the video you just split from here and then tap on the Send button below. You have now added this video to your WhatsApp status. Now repeat the same to add other videos which you split to your status. After they're all added, tap on Your Status. Here, you can see how many people or who viewed your status. Following these steps, you can easily upload a full video on WhatsApp status without trimming.